Hello.
Hello.
Yes, good evening. Can you hear me
Yes,
clearly tonight?
yes, I can hear you very
Okay,
clearly.
very clearly. That's good to know.
Yes.
Well, I just want to say good evening and welcome back again to our class for tonight, Kimchi. And
Yes.
would you like to tell about your day today? How's it going?
Today
Yes.
is is good.
It's good.
Today is good,
Mm-hmm.
and yes, there are. Um, I think
Yes. What
today is
happened?
today have no today have no special event
There's no
or
special event that happened in your day today?
yeah have no special event.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
I see.
And my boss or my manager was out of office.
Mm. How was the feeling? How was the feeling that your manager is out of the
uh,
office?
um, I have something to report to him and require
Mm.
him to support me,
Mm.
so that I have to wait him. But until now, he uh, he has not came back, come back.
Mm-hmm.
So that I think my task
Still not yet.
have to move to
Yes.
yes have to move to the next day.
Okay, I see. And as of this moment, I know that you are still in the office, right? Like the usual
Yes,
thing you often attended in our classes, and you are in the office, like right now. Okay, so Kimchi, do you already have your dinner?
no,
Not yet.
of course not. Yes,
Because it's only 6.
yes, at least think in
Okay.
Vietnam.
But in here, you know what? That time, some of the Filipinos already done when it comes into dinner type. Yes,
Yes,
not
yes.
all, yes, but I know that maybe in your case there's some
The,
differences when it comes into time for dinner, right?
the time zone in Philippines and Vietnam is the same.
No, um, one
Oh,
hour. We are 1 hour
yes, one
ahead.
hour.
Yes. So in
Okay.
here, it's
Yes, I
already
forgot.
7. 7
Yes.
p.m. Okay, so Kimchi, thank you so much for sharing that for tonight. Before we proceed to our main lesson, can you tell me what have you learned from last night?
Mm,
Mm-hmm.
from last night, we talk about
Yes.
the travel and some priority of the travel.
Okay, so can you give
Yes.
me the 5 priorities when it comes into traveling?
Um, my priority.
Yeah, so I told you, I
The
showed
first.
you 5,
Yes.
right?
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
The first is safety,
Safety.
and then yes, and then comfort.
So, what is your
Comfort.
second one?
The second one is comfort.
Comfort. Okay, so next
Yes.
we have
We have price.
the price.
Yes.
Okay.
Oh, I forgot it. And reliable. No, no.
Reliable.
Reliable and
Yes,
yes,
reliability, right?
yes.
And the
Reliability
speed.
and And the speed.
Speed, yes.
Is
So
enough 5 or not?
it's already 5.
Oh, okay.
Yes. So basically,
Yes.
these are the important priorities that uh, you know what, you organized based on which is the most important for you. Okay.
Yes.
Yes. So of course, the first one is safety. That is based on you. That is based on your priorities, right? When it comes into traveling. And also last night, Kimchi, I showed you about the British and American English.
And American, yes.
Yeah. So
Yes. And
I
some different between American and British English.
yeah. So since I let you watch the video last night, right?
Mm-hmm.
So you noticed in the video some of the words, some of the vocabulary words, British and American English terms. So basically, those are 5. Do you still remember? Can you try to give me?
So the last one is horse riding.
Yes.
Mean horseback riding.
House? Is it horse?
Horseback.
Right.
Horseback
Yes.
riding.
Okay, so let me write it down. First one, that is horse riding, which is considered as the British term. And if it's in the American term, that is horseback riding. So you will notice that we just add back. Okay? Yes. Next one. Do you still remember?
Racquetball.
Racket. Okay, what is that?
Racquetball. One kind of playing with ball.
So that is squash, right? Squash in British term, and in American term, that is called as racquetball. Okay?
Squash.
Yes, squash. That sounds SH at the end of the word, squash. Next, can you still remember the remaining 3?
Glasses and eyeglasses.
Okay, what about glasses? Is it a British term?
Yes.
Yeah, so the eyeglasses is the American term.
It's American. Yes.
Okay, last 2. Let's see if you still remember.
Bin.
Correct.
Bin.
Okay, that's bin in British term. In American term, that's waste paper.
Waste paper.
Basket.
Waste paper baskets.
Basket. T sound at the end.
Waste paper basket.
Okay, that's correct. Last one.
I don't remember.
Starts with letter P. Okay, I am going to give you. That's pavement and called a sidewalk in American term. Okay? So
Pavement.
yes, sidewalk. So it means kimchi. For example, you're going to talk to someone, you can use the term British term, but you are not sure if the person you are talking to will going to understand the words that you are talking, right? That you are saying. Okay, so you have to be careful. Well, these are some of the words that we got from the video clip last night. Okay, please don't forget this because this is British and American terms. Now, I am going to share my screen.
Yes.
For us to continue. I hope you can see my screen now.
Yes, I can see.
Travel British American English. So we have in here the video, which is already done. And we are in vocabulary words. So in here, Kimchi, we have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Okay, so 8 to J, that's equals to 10 vocabulary words and 10 pictures as well. What you're going to do is try to connect the vocabulary word into the picture. Okay?
Yes.
Yeah, so let me show you. Okay. Now, let's have picture number 1. What do you think is that?
Number 1. Number 1 is elevator.
Elevator. Okay, let me...
Yes.
Okay, let me just move. Okay, number 1 is elevator. That is your answer.
Yes.
Let me write it down in a notepad. Okay, let's have number 2.
Number 2. Number 2 is coach class.
Okay, what?
Coach class.
Number 2 is
Coach classes.
coach class.
Coach classes.
Okay,
Yes.
so that is letter I. But can you please say coach class?
Coach class.
Let's have number 3.
Coach class. Number 3 is freeway.
3 is letter D. Okay,
Yes.
what about 4?
Number 4 is care. Okay. Number 4 is carry on by kids.
Carry
Carry
on
on
baggage. So that's letter B, right?
Yes.
5.
Yes, that will be carry on bucket. Number 5 is restroom. Restroom.
Rest room.
Yeah, restroom. Restroom.
Yeah, so we have number 6.
Number 6, A, Q.
6 is Q.
Yes.
Okay, 7.
7, subway.
Okay, 8.
Number 8 is reservation.
Reservation, so that's letter J, right?
Yes.
So we have number 9.
And number 9.
So you're thinking now. Okay, what is that?
Elevator again.
Elevator.
Yes.
Okay, number
elevator
10.
again. Number 10, return.
Return. Okay, so do you
Yes.
think your answers are correct? All your answers are correct?
We have ground floor. Sorry.
Yes. So basically,
number 9.
yes. But do you think
Yes.
that's number 9?
Yes,
Okay, take a look at
number
first
9.
picture.
First picture.
Yes, take a look at this.
Ah.
Right? So you will notice the G.
Ah. Floor.
So
yes.
this is
Okay.
foreground
Ground
floor, right?
Okay.
So basically, I am going to ask you about 2 and 10. Okay? 2 and 10.
Yes.
Because most of your answers are definitely correct. But take a look at number 2 picture.
Yes.
So
2
that is a
and
ticket,
10.
right? Number 2
Yeah,
picture is an
ticket.
example of the ticket. And it is considered as a returning ticket. Okay? Return via Air Asia. As you can see, maybe it's a little bit small. But this is a return ticket. Okay? So this will be letter C. Why? Take a look at number 10. Okay, so in number 10, this is considered as a coach class, right? One of the example of class whenever you travel, or you economy class, anything, okay? Something like that. So the type of class you are going to book on. Now, all your answers are indeed correct already, but let's just read again this 10 vocabulary words that we have, okay? Just, I think you can repeat after me. Queue.
Okay. Queue.
Carry on baggage.
Carry on package.
Baggage.
Baggage.
Okay, that's a J sound, right? Baggage. Gauge.
Baggage.
Return.
Return.
Freeway.
Return. Freeway.
Restroom.
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 Ground floor.
Restroom. Ground floor.
Ground, so that's D, right? Ground floor.
Ground floor.
Okay. Subway.
Ground floor. Subway.
Elevator.
Elevator.
Coach class.
Coach class.
Coach. CH cha.
Coach. Coach class.
Okay. Reservation.
Coach class. Reservation.
Yes. So thank you so much, Kimchi. Don't forget all these vocabulary words, okay? This is very important when it comes into traveling topic, right? Now, let's have other vocabulary. So what is this? So this page is for you to know that one word in the right column, okay? You can see it.
Yes. I can see.
One word in the right column has the exact meaning as one in the left. As you can see the example, subway underground. You see?
Yes, I can see.
Okay, let's go back.
Subway and underground.
Yes, I am just going to show you in a quick way. Subway and underground. Okay, so let's have the picture of the subway. You still remember the subway letter G, right?
Yes.
Okay, and that is number 7 picture. Okay, take a look at this. Subway, and then number 7 picture looks like underground. Connected, right?
Okay.
Yes, because that is a combination of British and American term. Now, let's have this. Okay. Let's answer number 2.
Number 2, city central, downtown.
Okay, so that is
Downtown.
letter K. Okay, let's see.
Letter K.
3.
3, carry on baggage. Hand luggage.
So that
Hand
is
luggage.
letter N.
Letter N.
Correct. Okay, 4.
One way. Single.
Single. 5.
Yes. Return. Round trip.
Round trip, so that's letter J. Correct. 6.
6, freeway. Motorway.
Okay, yeah, so that's letter L. So we have restroom.
Restroom and public toilet.
Correct. 8.
8, elevator. Lift.
Lift. A T sound.
Lift.
Lift.
Yeah.
9.
Lift. Coach class.
Coach. That's CH cha, right? Coach. Coach class.
Coach class. Economy class.
10.
Timetable. Schedule.
Wow, that's correct. 11.
Car park and park lot. Parking lot.
Parking lot. So that's letter O.
Yeah,
Now,
parking lot.
let's proceed to the next word.
And queue. Line.
Line. 13.
Check. Yeah. Check. Bill.
Bill. And 14.
Bill. Reservation. Booking.
And of course, last one.
And ground floor and first floor.
Okay, so basically, all your answers are correct. Okay? So,
Yes.
I am so happy because you are definitely familiar about this vocabulary words, and that's a good thing.
Yes.
But I want you to know that some of this are combinations of British and American terms, okay? Now, I am going to ask you before we proceed to the next exercise, can you tell me about some of the British terms from all of this? So we have 15 and 15 vocabulary words. So all in all, 30, right? Yes. So can you tell me what are the British English words from all of these terms?
I think the English word
British.
is the first. British English is the first line.
Okay. Are you sure? The first line, it's like 1 to 15.
50.
Okay, 1 to 15. So I am going to tell you. Basically, some of the British English terms like city center. Okay, this is considered as the British term. What else? So, yes, timetable. I am going to write it down. Can you see the notepad that I have?
Yes.
Yes, because I am going to write it down for you to see. Timetable is also... Okay, timetable is also part of British terms. And also, we have the car park. Okay, what else? So we have the queue. Yes, that's correct. Ground floor is also the British term. Lift, right? So you will notice lift is on the other side, right? That is British term, yes. Next, we have the public toilet. Economy class. That's okay, economy class. Single. We also have the bill. Okay, just take a look at what I am typing. Booking. We have the motorway, underground, and also the hand luggage. So this is the last word. Okay, I want you to know that all the rest or remaining words are considered as American English terms. Okay, you got it? So don't forget all the words that I've wrote in here in my notepad, as you can see, because I shared my screen with you. These are British English terms. Okay?
So,
yes.
Yeah.
I am going to have it in the...
Can you send?
Yes.
Can you
Of
send it via
course.
chat?
Yes.
Yes.
These are
Okay.
the British terms. Okay, so you need to remember that.
Yes.
Okay. Is that clear to you, Kimchi?
Yes.
Yes. Because we are on the last part of this lesson, which is a practice exercise. This is a short paragraph, and you're going to read and try to fill in the blanks, okay? So, Kimchi, can you please read?
My last overseas business trip was a nightmare from start to finish. First of all, there was a delay on the way to the airport, and there was an accident on the freeway. When I was when I got there, I found the lower level of the airport of level of the airport.
Okay, so we are going to use the American terms. Okay, let's see. American terms for this. Okay, because freeway is an American term, right?
Yeah.
The British term of freeway is motorway, right?
Airport key.
Was flooded.
Was flooded. And sorry, first ground floor.
Okay.
The airport ground floor.
Let's see by tomorrow. Because I just noticed that it's already time, Kimchi. Okay,
Yes.
I am going
Yes.
to unshare my screen for tonight because we don't have enough time. And I hope that you learned something on our lesson for tonight about vocabulary words, British and American terms, or American English,
Okay.
and this topic,
Okay.
travel. Okay, so Kimchi, we are going to see each other again by tomorrow. Thank you so much for
Yes.
attending our class tonight. Take care, Kimchi.
Okay.
Have a good night.
Yes. Yes. Thank you and have a good night.
You're
Goodbye.
welcome.